आमी हांगा जजमेंटा आयिल्ले आमचो पेटिशन फॉर डिस्क्वालिफिकेशन ऑफ द 8 members पडे आशिल्लो इट स्टँड्स डिस्क्वॉलिफायड इट स्टँड्स dismissed sorry it stands dismissed so it's a 35-page order so we request time to give any further statements on it on what we could do because we have to go through the depth of the order to understand if the findings and all that are in favor or not in favor to go further. So in due course of time we will announce a further course of action. Any other questions? Feel free.
We will examine.
What is the ground?
What is the ground?
I have not gone to into depth, but in the oral arguments, the grounds that the defendants were relying was on 4.2, section 4.2 of the Constitution. We were relying on the 10th schedule. What we were saying is that a party, if it has to merge with 2/3, it should be the overall party that merges. But their argument was that 2/3 of the legislative party can merge. That was their this. So looks like their argument has stood. We have not gone into the order, but looks like what they have stated has stood. That is why our case stands dismissed. But we'll have to look and explore of what can be done possibly in the future.
You will challenge this order or?
This until I look at it and until I sit with my think tank and see this things. Dominic as an individual can't do it, no. We have a think tank behind this. We have friends, good well-wishers who work together collectively for the issues of law. We will sit and we'll decide on this. What is to be done, whether it stands good grounds for a further challenge.
But this disqualification, you individual only you have filed.
Yeah. Individual. Yeah. I filed it individual, but obviously there is a think tank behind it. Dominic cannot be. You cannot fight issues, state issues individually. You need a strength behind you. You need some think tank team behind you. You need people who guide you. So all this is there in
Was
place.
your lawyer there?
Who was your lawyer?
Sandesh Padiyar, senior counsel. Sandesh Padiyar was the
तो इल्लो आता.
no, but he's the main lawyer now. He's a senior counsel, so he came for the arguments. Yeah. Advocate Prayash was my advocate, officially appointed.
Thank you.
Thank you, gentlemen.